back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn. If you're not new, welcome back. If you guys notice anything different, it's because I do have something different. I have a whole system in my mouth. I have braces and I have my hair up. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm because I did get Boxycharm again. And I'm not sure if this is a September or the August Boxycharm, but I am excited and I can't wait to see what I got. They said they were going to give me a free gift if I resubscribe, and I didn't just subscribe because of that. I just wanted to get Boxycharm for my birthday. But I'm going to be keeping Boxycharm for September, October, November, and December. And I think that's what I'm going to be doing every single year. Just get it from September to December every single year, so I don't get too much makeup. So yeah, but anyways, I did get this at the post office today and I did notice that it was open, so I was pretty upset. I didn't notice it at the post office. I noticed it when I arrived home because I grabbed the box like this and I was like, what the heck? I got a little mad and I did open the box to make sure there was like 5 products, and there was 5 products. So here's my 5 products. So here is the card. This is Boxycharm Go Out. So I'm not sure if this is the August or September Boxycharm. And I got variation C2108007-BA. So I'm not sure if this is August, September, or if it's just like a bunch of items from like the past boxes or what. And so anyways, I did open this box and I did see that this box right here, the booty drops, it was open like this. So I was like, what the heck? Someone went through my box and played with the stuff. So now I'm kind of scared to like put this on my body, because I'm like, what if they put like some acid and then I apply it on my butt and it just like burns or something? I don't know. I'm just kind of scared because I get like creepy messages like that. I don't know, just kind of scares me. We will see what happens, and maybe tomorrow I'll go to the post office and ask them if they opened it. But anyway, so this is the first item. This is a Frank Body Booty Drop Firming Body Oil, Caffeine and Butt Forklift, Grapeseed Oil for a baby soft booty. So this is what it looks like, and so it's kind of hard to tell if it's brand new or if it has been touched or anything. It smells weird. Kind of smells like coffee. You're supposed to squeeze a few drops into your moisturizer or apply directly onto dry skin. Rub in circular motion until absorbed. For best results, use daily before twerking. Patch test first. Stop using if irritation occurs. So this Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil retails for $17.95. So I'm excited for this, if I could use it, if no one did anything to it. If you guys have used this, let me know what you guys think. Did it work? Let's see. The next product, it is this Volition Hibiscus Unstoppable Correcting Oil. So this is a correcting oil. Reduces the appearance of dark spots and discoloration, hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, soothes the appearance of stressed skin, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Individual results may vary. And so this is it right here. I haven't seen any Boxycharm unboxings for like 5 months or maybe longer. So I don't know if anyone has received this or anything like that. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It is also a dropper. So you, oh, okay. Well, that's nice. That's satisfying. Smells like, kind of smells like olive oil. It says apply 2 to 3 drops to face, neck, and décolletage. Use twice daily for best results. For external purposes only. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Approved for all skin types. So I'm excited to use this as well. So I'm going to test all of these products on my hand first before applying it on my face, because if someone did something to it, I don't want it to like burn my face or something. Okay, so this is the Volition Beauty Hibiscus Unstoppable Correcting Oil, and it retails for $49. Okay, let's see. The next product, it is this Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner by Molly. Success is whatever you define it to be. Your new go-to eyeliner. This creamy, long-lasting gel formula glides on easily to fiercely line and define. Trace liner along upper and lower lash line. Blend gently for a softer, smoky look. Okay, let's see. Has anyone touched this liner? Oh, and this is in the shade Onyx. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. The eyeliner looks to be untouched. so that's good news. And I really like black eyeliner, so I will be keeping this as well. Well, I'm going to be keeping everything in this box because I don't want to give anything away from this box just in case someone did do something to it. Okay, so I'm excited to try out this eyeliner, and this Molly Beauty Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner retails for $19. I feel like that's a decent price for an eyeliner. This next product, it is a mascara, and this one is the All Night Bender Black Extreme Lash Mascara, Rockins Cosmetics, and it's this one right here. I actually have an eyeliner from this brand, I believe, and I did get in a giveaway from my friend Didi, Didi's Beauty and More. I'm excited to try out this mascara now, so that's really cool. This one is actually in plastic, so I know no one touched this, so I will not be opening it right now until I finish my other mascaras. But yeah, anyway, super excited to try this out. And so this Rockins Cosmetics All Night Bender Mascara retails for $29. If you guys have tried out this mascara, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Rockins Bend Wand and Fine Tip has been designed to reach and grab each tiny individual inside lash and shape to sculpt, separate, and extend the outside lashes. The smooth gliding formula allows you to build and load lashes to achieve an extreme look that will last all night, vegan and cruelty free. So that's really cool. I'm super excited for this. Okay, the last product, it is cool, a BB cream. Okay, I didn't notice it was a BB cream. I thought it was like a lotion. Okay, so this one is a Purlisse Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, SPF 40. Oh, that's nice. I like that it has SPF 40. And it has Baki oil and collagen vitamin C. Natural plus glowy coverage, moisturizing, brightening, helps improve firmness, reduce wrinkles. It says medium golden. Am I medium golden? Okay, actually before I even open it, I gotta check if that's my color. Okay, so it says medium golden is for medium skin to tan skin tones with a peachy undertone. Do I have a peachy undertone? I feel like I'm more of a light medium or medium warm. I mean, I could always mix it, right? If you guys have medium golden, let me know if you guys think I would fit medium golden, or do you guys think that's too dark for me? So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty decent size for a BB cream. So this is sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure if this color is going to fit me. And if it's not going to fit me, I don't want to open it because I don't want to waste product. And so that is all of the products that I got. I got 5 products and I'm actually pretty happy with the box that I got. I'm just kind of scared that someone went into this box. I don't know. But anyways, I will still like test it out on my hand and see if something happens. And if nothing happens, I am going to put it on my booty. That's weird, but that's what it is for. So yeah, so the total value of this box was $152.95. so that's pretty good. I'm really happy with this box. But anyways, I think this may be the August box because I normally get my Boxycharm super late and I don't think I got it this early for it to be the September box. So yeah. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys were able to understand me even if I have braces because I feel like I'm struggling right now. I have like a lisp and I can't pronounce every single word correctly. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if